Hi, I'm Irv Kagi, President of Transor Filter, and welcome to another episode of Then and Now, a series whereby we visit existing Transor customers that we highlighted in technical articles before. And today we're visiting Advanced Tooling up in Mount Calvary, Wisconsin, meeting with Tom Pankrantz, the President. Let's go inside and have a chat. So tell us, Tom, how important would you say machining with oil filtered to 1 micron absolute is as it relates to cycle time?
It's extremely important. The more grit that you have in the oil, the more it collects on the wheels, clogs up the diamond, makes it rub, creates heat. So the cleaner you can keep that oil, the cleaner it keeps the wheel, and also have the chilled oil. The diamond cuts freer, cuts faster. I would say on small tools you'll gain 10 to 20% cycle time. On large tools, 20 to 30% cycle time.